good, everybody? This is Michael Ilyaich from jurisq.com, and I'm interviewing the law firm of Gregory, Spektor and Associates and their partner, Michael Ilyaich. Law firm of Gregory, Spektor and Associates, they are your serious injury attorneys. They do personal injury in car accidents, construction accidents, and slip and falls. And before we had Michael on talking about different aspects of personal injury law, educating us, and we have a few follow-up questions. And you can follow the rest of the questions on jurisq.com. Michael, first of all, welcome. Welcome back. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me. Hi, Michael.
Thank you. We hear a lot about no-fault insurance, that you're going to get covered by no-fault as it relates to car accidents. What does it mean, no-fault? Does it mean that you don't have to be at fault to get covered for your medical expenses? And in general, if you get injured in a car accident, be it as a driver, as a passenger, who covers the medical bills? How does it work?
If you are involved in an accident in the state of New York, and whether you are a driver or a passenger, the vehicle you are occupying is the one responsible for medical bills. So whatever insurance company insures the specific vehicle you're occupying, that insurance company takes on the responsibility to pay the medical bill.
Understood.
The provision in every auto insurance policy in New York is called no fault. It has nothing to do with the fault of the driver. It has other names, such as personal injury protection coverage. Okay, so look at it as a coverage that pays for medical bills and loss of earnings if you're losing time from work. So no fault has nothing to do with the fault. If you are injured in an accident, the insurance company of the vehicle you occupied, whether you're at fault or not, is irrelevant. That's just the law. It's the one that should take responsibility to pay for all the medical bills up to $50,000.
Okay.
So once you're injured in an accident, by default, you have access to $50,000 worth of medical benefits.
So you don't have to have medical insurance or Medicaid or Medicare. If you were injured, you're covered by no-fault insurance.
Period.
Got it.
Yes, correct. And even if you're injured as a pedestrian,
okay,
the car that had a physical contact with you is the one responsible for medical bills. Once again, irrelevant of who's at fault in an accident. That's just what the law mandates. So if you are stopped at a red light, somebody rear-ends you, sends you to the hospital, you would have a question: why should my insurance company cover the bill? Let them cover my bill. The guy's at fault. Well, the law says your insurance company must cover the bill, and then let your insurance company go and get their money back from somebody's at fault. They do not want to impose this responsibility of chasing the defendant around to get the medical bills paid. Okay, so the insurance company, regardless of the fault, is the one responsible for medical bills.
Understood. Michael, let me ask you, what if you were a passenger in an Uber or a Lyft or a taxi and you get injured? There was a car accident through the fault of the driver or through the fault of the other driver. What happens then?
Same laws apply. Same laws apply. However, if you are an Uber driver, who got into an accident with passengers in the car, the question should be who would pay his medical bills if he was sent to the hospital. And if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, you are paying black car fund. Every trip you take, you are co-paying into black car fund, and so does the occupant of your car. Black car fund is the insurer who will take responsibility to pay for drivers' medical bills and loss of earnings. Black car fund, look at it as a workers' compensation insurance carrier. Very similar, but it's just called black car fund. Okay, just because it's usually a black car that's involved in an accident, like yellow gas. Okay, so black car fund will be the one responsible for medical bills that the driver may have. But if you are a passenger in the same vehicle that was sent to the hospital, Unlike the driver who has access to black car fund benefits to get their medical bills and loss of earnings paid, you as an injured person in an Uber have access to no fault benefits, also known as medical. Let's call them medical benefits. So the insurance carrier of the vehicle you are in. So two people, the driver and the passenger, injured and sent to the hospital. Driver gets driver's medical bills get paid by Black Car Fund, and the passenger's bills will get paid through no fault, aka PIP. We'll call it medical coverage.
Okay, Michael, thank you very much for your answer. Appreciate it.